Yo, what is up, everybody? Today, and today the SCP-3008 IKEA game that you saw a little bit. Oh, okay, we are in the same room. Okay, I'm gonna try and yo. Dog, is that a... It's got like a cleaver, bro. Dude. Let's go. It's actually insane. Alright, I'm gonna drop this, grab this. Can I use this on the SCPs? Alright, we're just gonna try and focus on finding Major. That's what I will be calling him. Major.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please
no, thank you. 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 Oh! Dog. Legit shaking in my boots right now, dog. I am so scared. That wall just scared me. That's how scared I am. I got scared by a wall. Okay, please. Oh shoot, this is nightmare mode. So every night's a blood night. Okay, alright, that's cool. I'm losing hunger real fast too. Oh, great. Yes. Okay, eat that, yes. Anything else? You know what? Might as well eat it. Alright, as soon as it turns day, I've got to find like a walkie-talkie thing and try to communicate with Major. I am so lost right now. Bro. It's the only thing I have to my name. I don't even think you can use this on the SCP. Like, I'm pretty sure you can only use this on players. Oh, another one. Okay, dude. Okay, I have not found anyone. I've been walking around for a while, so I'm gonna make sure that he is in this room. You know what, yeah, let's party with him. My legs are literally shaking right now. Dude, I'm so scared. Bro, where is he? Okay, you know what? I might just have to make like a little hideout for the night. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, bro. Just gonna build up a little base, so hopefully the SCPs won't be able to get me, and then in the morning I'll go on the hunt for Major. I don't even know if is there anyone like in this room with me. Like, it says we're in the same room, but like maybe it's meant to be like same game or something. Okay, yeah, he's the only one here. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna swap these. Oh, finally. Major! Major. Hello? Major. Major. Hello, hello. Okay, where is he? Oh, now you're in here, Major. Okay, I just like circled around where I just was. But I might as well eat while I'm here. I think I have an idea of where he might be. Let's see if I was correct about my prediction. You should be right. Yo, Major, what's up, bro? You good?
My base is all the way over there.
Yeah, I was just going over there, bro. I was like...
Alright.
Alright,
It's cool.
Yeah, I'll go over there. Alright, so that was Major. I think it's here, but it could be down there. Okay, yeah, no, so it's probably down here or over there. Oh, at least I know he's here. Oh, here it is. Wow, pretty nice. Oh, man. Wow, yeah, this place is nice, dude. Dang. Oh my. Jeez, look at all that food. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna drop this and that, and I'm gonna go on the lookout for food and pills. There might be food over here. Not really sure. Oh, there's pills up there. I'll get those. Okay, put that there. I gotta grab some of these chairs. Alright, guys. Here we go. We are going on the ascent. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, what? Okay, there we go. Come on, please be enough. Yes! Stay away from my face. Stay away from my face. Man, we are quite the stockpilers. I want to go find a couch for me too, or a bed.
I built this base all by myself.
Yeah, bro, it looks pretty nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
look
dang.
right there.
You got a bunk
Decoration.
bed.
These are bunk beds.
Nice.
That's me on the wall.
Oh wow, very nice picture.
Yeah, I invited people, but they left, and so I had to fend for myself.
Dang. Hey, do you know if the cleavers do any damage to the SCPs?
Nope, they do damage to other people, and that's why it's not. Nightmare mode is like way more chaos because you can actually kill people with the cleavers, and
yeah,
you know, if you're hungry, you can actually eat them, which is
you can. That's crazy.
Yeah. It isn't insta kill them. It's just like you can hit them once and you get a lot of food. I think. I've never tried it though. I don't intend to.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go look for food. Alright, guys. Well, I know where his base is now. That's good. That's good. I wanna build a secondary base, like right here, because that's where it was in the last video. So I think I'm gonna like build another ramp structure leading over to there, just for like a worst case scenario kind of situation, guys. Oh my. Alright, there we go. guys, if you want me to turn this into a series, please do let me know by hitting that like button or commenting what other games I should try. Alright, I want to get that table. I want to build the bridge. I am going to build the bridge, but it might not be completed today because it's going to take a lot of stuff. And I don't really have a lot of stuff. So I mean, you know, we're just gonna like try and do the best we can. See how it works out. Like, hope for the best. Okay. Let's get over here. Alright, nice. Now we're gonna wanna just like, I'm gonna put it out as far as I can, so like right there. I'm gonna try and get that too. Oh, is that me? I don't know. Okay. Alright, I thought I was getting called. Oh, I think I saw some food. Alright. I can reach it. I didn't think I was gonna be able to. Good job, me. We're gonna try and grab the board that I saw over there. Because boards do, as my great uncle never said. Trying not to fall off here. Oh, and I fell off. Alright. This project may be a project to be continued next morning, but if I can. Oh, let's go, dude. Yes, sir, bro. This is great. This is great. Oh, I'm dying of hunger. Interesting. Let's just eat a hot dog real quick. There we go. Thank you for grabbing those. Whew. Yeah, bro, that's literally a pizza. Let's go. Alright, don't fall. The only thing you have to do is not fall. Just don't fall. Good job, you didn't fall. Now, let's get some food. Oh, okay. Like, terrible time for it to turn night, I would say. Just, like, terrible time. So, yeah, we're gonna, like, run. Okay, we're safe now.
There.
That.
Now you can get up to your bed.
That is very practical. I like that.
And I can't get in like this, but when I go like this, yup.
Yes. Very nice.
It's so cozy here. I never thought I made a beautiful home.
It is pretty nice, like, considering how much we have.
Look, everything's like in order.
Yeah. It's all stockpiled together.
And it's us too, and you get 10 coins this time instead of 5.
Yeah, that's good. It's good.
I don't even need to eat.
You don't?
It's a glitch. I don't know. I'm not sure. Look. See, look.
I mean, yeah, I guess. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you don't lose health.
How did you do it?
I don't know. I was just hiding under a bed when I was like... my base wasn't like this. It looked like a joke, but... I was just hiding under a bed right here. That one. It was like more up, you know? And then like... I'm like, oh, I got no food left. I only got these pills and it's blood night still. Yeah. And then like, I decided not to eat them yet. And then I got hit once, right? Not by the thing, by like the hunger. Yeah. And I'm like, and then it stopped. I'm like, what? Why did it stop?
That's weird, dude. Which one's mine? Is it this one or that one?
Oh, that one's mine. This one's yours.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Photo album. I wish I had a fridge.
Yeah, that would be pretty.
Excuse me.
Oh!
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
They can't get up here.
I know, but dude, I just got like so.
Some guy
scared
said
for a
that you can
second.
get to the second floor, but not the third floor. There's one that sounds different. It sounds British.
The store is now closed.
Yeah, I don't think it's
Please
here yet.
exit the building.
It's like,
Oh yeah, is it that like one really fast one?
I haven't seen it, but excuse me, leave the store, like that.
I can't wait to hear it.
Oh, right there he is. Speaking of him,
I don't see him. Where?
The store.
over here.
The store
You can-
is now closed.
What up? What? He was just here.
Is he like through this wall?
Please exit the building. Excuse me. Now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit.
Do they not have walkie-talkies in this mode, bro?
The store.
No, no walkie-talkies, no trackers, no,
Oh,
none of that.
ooh.
Excuse
Yeah, it
me.
makes it
The
like
store is now
scarier.
closed. Please
Yeah.
exit the building.
Cause it's supposed to be a
The
harder
store
mode.
is now closed.
Yeah.
You lose
Please
health,
leave.
hunger
Oh,
faster.
I hear
Yeah.
the British dude now.
Excuse
Yeah.
me. The store has closed.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
So are they both down there?
Yeah,
The store
like you
is
can
now
go low.
closed. Please leave the building.
He's not down. He's not right here.
The store is now
Don't go.
closed. Please exit the building.
I feel like I'm on phone somehow.
Excuse me.
Right here.
The store has closed.
Oh, there he is.
The store is now closed. Please leave the building.
Oh, yo.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
I ain't with all that, bro.
Excuse me. The store is now closed.
I gotta eat. I'm gonna eat a banana. Alright, there we go. Ah! Oh my gosh.
There, he only has eyes.
Alright, let's go. Let's kill this monster.
Where is he?
Is now closed. Please leave.
Wait,
Oh,
take a
there.
pill.
Oh, hi.
Take some pills.
Alright, you ready, bro?
The store is now closed.
I'm gonna take a
Let's
pill.
like jump on his head and start chopping at him.
Alright.
Where? Oh, there you are. Alright, ready?
The store is now
2,
closed. Please
1.
leave the building.
Get back here.
We scared him off. Let's go. We scared him off, guys. That's how you win a fight. That's how you win a fight. We scared him off.
I did?
Yeah,
I just
he
saw him run away. He
like
went this
walked
way.
away, bro. Scaredy cat. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why you never call anyone a scaredy cat.
Excuse me. The store is now closed.
It's not even the
Please
British
exit the
one.
building.
Go, go,
Excuse
go, go.
me.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm bleeding out. Oh, wow.
Go,
Okay,
go get
The store is now
Oh,
closed. Please leave the building.
I'm about to die.
get pills, get pills.
I got it. I'm bleeding out still.
This is so bad. No, you're gonna take his eyes.
Alright, here. Oh no! I'm sorry, Thomas. Oh!
You better run for your life.
Oh my gosh, dude. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Dude, I had no idea you were that close.
Yo! Yeah, yeah. Ow.
Come on, no.
Can we even hit each other?
I don't know.
Ow!
Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm so dead. Oh, I'm so dead. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I died. Meet me back at base. Meet me back at base. Dude, that was crazy.
Please leave the building.
Excuse me. The
Oh.
store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Bro, help. Help, help, help. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. Oh wait, no he's not.
The store is now closed.
Oh, yes he
Please
is.
exit the building.
Run, run, run.
Excuse me. The store has closed.
Oh, it's the
I
British
hope you're
guy.
not chasing me.
Where is he? I don't see him. I don't see him, bro. But I hear him. We're going down with a fight.
The store is now closed.
Oh!
Please exit the building.
The store is now closed. Please leave the building.
Excuse me. The store has closed.
El Bozo, you can't catch us. Imagine, imagine, imagine.
Excuse me. The store has
I
closed.
think bro just went faster. Dude, you dropped one of your... You dropped a cleaver.
I know.
I picked it up though, so we're good.
Bro, I can see you behind me. Bro, I can see you chasing me. Please, Mario, don't do it, please.
Come here. Come here.
Stay down.
Come on.
Oop.
I'm so close.
Oh,
How am I not hitting you?
oh. Juke, 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 juke. Salam alaikum, alaikum
Alaikum.
salam. Dapat le. Labay. Oh, the best juice. Which way am I go? 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 Oh,
Right.
I'm gonna go this way. Yeah!
I am victorious. Alright, I'll see you, bro. Alright, guys. Well, I guess that's it for the video. I will see you all in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, drop a like. Always appreciated. Thanks for watching the video, and goodbye.